Ito, they are all pure therapeutic oils. Okay? This is good for headaches, colds, flu, uplifting for anxiety. So, ang daming makukuhang benefits sa essential oil.
Yeah.
Kailangan lang talaga is pure siya.
Pure, okay.
It's not fragrance. It's therapeutic type of oil. Okay? Frankincense is known for may properties ito na it's good for anti-cancer.
Yeah.
And it's good also for the skin. Kung ihalo mo sa skincare, but you have to dilute it properly.
Yeah.
Itong ilang-ilang naman, it's good for apodation. So it's a good, din siya uplifting, no? For calming and uplifting. So yan ang napakagandang combination of oils. Wow. So mga therapeutic yan. Okay? So, napakaganda niya.
So, meron na nito sa Pilipinas, di ba?
Yes, may set tayo sa Philippines. And then, if they want to become a distributor, so, that's available as well. Okay? So, may mga friend ka yan. Oh.
Very nice.